Alright, Uncle Rod. There's our leaked coolant. Okay, Braden, go ahead and start the car.